here I just allocate the package for our program. So for that we just write here, that is I just create a new page here, and then I just select Java, and then here is again I just click next. Here I just create new, just a new create template, press select the component here. Project name is I just give the new package here, and it will show in new package folder, and then I just allocate packages cam dot delete here. Here my project name here, this is my project location here, and I just change to com dot delete. So here it is a new package name for me, so it is a new package name here, and I just click on finish, and it can open it. It can take few times to open the total page here. Here you can see that when it is open, here you can see that the package name is allocated, and the page name is main.java. It is by default taken by the compiler. So close it. Here you can see that package is com.delib, and class name is main, and file name will be main.java. Here you can see that this is the package name here, and this is the package name. I just write it here, and this is the class name, that is main. This is the class name here, and this is the main method basically, and this is the main method, and main.java is our page name. So by default it can take in the class name is main here, and after that I just display hello world here, and before that we just go to right click on new package, then select open module setting, right click on that, and again I just go to project here, and project here, and here you can select a JDK 1.8. I just select here. You make sure that you just select to 1.8 JDK. I just select here 1.8 JDK, so that all the data will be compiled by the JDK 1.8 here. So in this way you just select JDK for our program, and after that we just print hello world here. So in this way we can allocate package and allocate JDK, in which JDK we just compile it. So we can select it here, and then I just print s out by pressing tab key. It can print as display system.out.println, and right now we just write hello world. Make sure that you just write the hello world in double quotation mark. When you compile it, it can showing some error here, but still I just compile it so that you will know what is the error is showing here. So right now it is compiling, and here you can see that I just compile it, and right now it can showing some error here because we just do not give the double quotation mark here. So you always use the double quotation mark. I just save by using Ctrl S, and I just compile it by using Ctrl Shift F9. So it is first compiling, and run it by using Ctrl Shift F10 for running. So I just save it by using Ctrl S, and after that I just compile it by using pressing Ctrl Shift F9 here, and I just save it. So here compilation is going on, and after that I just run it by using Ctrl Shift F10. Here you can see that hello world is showing here. So in this way I just allocate package for in IntelliJ ID. So just allocate the JDK also.